Good morning, y'all. Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to this Facebook Live and stuff like that. So, anyway, it's foggy outside. I know y'all can see how foggy it is out here. You know. So, as I'm walking around here, I just finished doing a YouTube live. Thank God I can live stream on YouTube and stuff like that. hmm So, so let's go walk this away, okay? See how foggy it is around here. Well, it's not that foggy though, you know. hmm All right. So let's just go this way and show y'all more and more and stuff like that. Hmm. Yep. Uh huh. Again, why they got mask right here again? I see it on my YouTube live, you know. That's if y'all watched the video previously recorded, okay? So, yeah. All right. Fogging out here for, well, look like the fog is clearing up, you know. Well, not necessarily clearing up, you know. Uh-huh. So, yeah, it's not necessarily clearing up right now, you know. So, so yeah, I'm just out here just doing a slight weather report, a little weather report and stuff like that, you know. hmm So I'm gonna do my gameplays later today, and I'll probably do my house tour. Okay. So if all that, I'll probably upload it to Facebook if I think about it. I don't know, but we'll see. Okay. All right. So thank y'all for watching this short Facebook live. All right. Bye bye.